Well, the winter storm has made its way through the Texas Hill Country, and this is the aftermath.
Oh, it's slick out.
I don't know if I just love the cold because I'm pregnant, but it feels so amazing out here. Yeah. So the real question is, how did our atmospheric water generator hold up? And she's working. You may think this is all snow, but in reality, it's all ice. It's a thick layer of ice covering our property. So if you were affected by the winter storm, I hope everyone's safe, and be sure to take all precautions to keep you and your loved ones safe. And